Hello friend, today I'm going to discuss one more questions and answers from the lesson of where there is a wheel, which is written by P. Sainath. Where there is a wheel, a small essay is taken from Everybody Loves a Good Drought, which is written by P. Sainath. From that book, this essay is taken and given in your syllabus. See, where there is a wheel, one more proverb is there. Where there is a wheel, where there is a will, there is a way. That is proverb. Will means W-I-L-L. Will. Where there is a will, there is a way. Here, where there is a will, there is a moving. There is a mobility. There is a independent. Okay. See, this essay given to in your syllabus, there is a point. Beyond there is a point because especially rural women should be inspired, rural girl should be inspired to learn by this essay. That is the intentions to given in your syllabus. Okay. See, P. Sainath is a journalist and also socialist. When he visited to the Tamil Nadu in 1992, in the year of 1992, at that time, in Pudukottai is a so poorest district in Tamil Nadu. About social, economical as well as political and also educational. The main point is educational. That district is so poor in educational. So due to that reason, one of the former district collector, her name is called Sheila Rani Chunkar. She started a literacy for rural women as well as she started a neo-cyclist. Means the women come to and learn literacy by their cycle, by their own. That because of that reason, and then she started like that neo-literates. And along with her, one of the organization is called Arivoli Iyakkam. That organization supported her and they gave a training, bicycle training, free to rural women, and they trained very well and also held their competitions in Pudukottai in the year 1992, and then we started the poem. Okay, see, now come to the point. One more questions. What does cycling as a symbol of social mobility mean? What does cycling as a symbol of social mobility mean? The answer is enabling women to move around freely without depending on men by cycling. Enabling women to move around freely without depending on any men by cycling. Second question. When Jamila Bibi says it is my right, we can go anywhere, she is suggesting mobility leading to liberation. Question number third. What does bicycle represent for the rural women? The answer is independence, freedom and mobility. Bicycle symbol of bicycle, independence, freedoms and mobility. How did the men react to women taking to cycling? Men made filthy remarks on their character because men character is at the time in that year, men is always criticizing on women. If women become a freedom, if they do any freedom life, then the men are criticizing. So like that, they are filthy remarks, giving a remarks. What do the phrases flags on the handlebar, the bells ringing suggest? What do the phrases flags on the handlebar and bells ringing suggest? The expressions of freedom and confidence. The expressions of freedom and confidence. The flags on the handlebar and also bell ringing. Confidence, freedoms and confidence. Why did UNICEF sanction Moffats to Arivoli women activists? Because UNICEF was impressed by 70,000 women displaying their cycling skills. Huh? When they 70,000 women displayed their cycling skill, then due to that work, they impressed and given a 50 mopeds to Arivoli women's activists. Why is the cycle called the humble vehicle? Because it is the cheapest vehicle available. It is the cheapest vehicle available. There is no need to petrol to spend a money for bicycle. Where was cycling started as a social movement? Where was cycling started as a social movement? Pudukottai in Tamil Nadu. Pudukottai is a small district and also poor district in the year 1992 in Tamil Nadu. What was the symbol of independence, freedoms and mobility in Pudukottai? Bicycling. Very simple. Bicycling. Who used cycling as a symbol of social movement? Who used cycle as a symbol of social movement? Arivoli Iyakam activist of Pudukottai. Arivoli Iyakam activist of Pudukottai means that organizations. How many women took part in public exhibitions cum contest? 70,000 women. Who was Manur Mani? Arivoli activist and a quarry worker. Quarry worker. Quarry means taking stones from the depth of earth, deep of earth. What is the meaning of Arivoli Iyakam? A light of knowledge movement. Arivoli Iyakam. What is the meaning of their intentions? What is the intentions of Arivoli Iyakam? Light of knowledge movement. Who was N. Kannammal? Who was N. Kannammal? She is Arivoli Center coordinator and also she is completed BSc graduations in that year and doing a free work in that Arivoli Iyakam as. Who sang songs to encourage bicycling? Who sang songs to encourage bicycling? Due to that. Here Muttu Bhaskar, new cyclist. Who sang? What sang? New cyclist. Muttu Bhaskar. Due to that mistakes. Whose brain child is the cycling movement? Sheila Rani Chunkat. She is a former district collector. Whose brain child is the cycling movement? Sheila Rani Chunkat. What was Sheila Rani Chunkat? She is a former district collector. What did Sheila Rani Chunkat include as a part of the literacy drive new mobility? Means cycling. How did banks help the women for buying bicycles? By giving loans. Who worked free of charge for Arivoli? trained cyclist. Trained cyclist. Who trained cyclist? They are giving a free worked in that Arivoli activist. Who composed the famous cycling song which became their anthem? Muthu Bhaskaran. Who composed the famous cycling song which became their anthem? Muthu Bhaskaran. Who sanctioned 50 mopeds for Arivoli women activist? UNICEF. Who sanctioned 50 mopeds for Arivoli women activist? UNICEF. How much did each cycle cost in the beginning? 1,200 rupees in the year of 1992. Cycling by women has become a metaphor for cycling by women has become a metaphor for freedom. That metaphorically using a meaning. What is meant by neocyclist? A person or woman who has learned recently. Neocyclist is recently learned. The neocyclist they are called. So this is these first questions I had given to you. So I have to just note down in your notebook, fair book, and read once. That is enough. So in next class I am going to give. I will give you 4 marks questions and answers. Okay. Is there any doubt? You may ask in the online class. If you have any doubt, you may ask in online class. I will make clarify. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, online doubt.